Hey guys, welcome to our HyperDoc. The HyperDoc of Let's Get Phygital, our EDU.Vacation workshop. So, you've made it to the HyperDoc. What is a HyperDoc? A HyperDoc is a digital document which encompasses all the components of a learning cycle. The idea behind a HyperDoc is to have students actively engaged, not passively, actively engaged, going through content areas like engage, maybe watching videos, doing some sort of activity, gaining knowledge. In the explore stage, they're exploring, they're wondering, they're challenged, they're connecting, they're comparing, where they're taking in information in a way that's not so demanding and with a lot of choice. And then we have the explain cycle, where here the teacher explains the content in more detail. This could be done face-to-face. The explain stage could be done in the classroom where the students stop, focus, pay attention, or it could be done through the use of video, audio, infographics, any other medium where you can differentiate and reach all students. So, what are the components of this HyperDoc? It's the engage, explore, explain, where the teacher explains, apply. This is where it starts getting more interesting. The apply stage is where students are creating, they're collaborating, they're sharing information. They're having a reflection stage, which could be metacognitive on the procedure of their learning. And my favorite part is the extension, the extend stage, where we give students more links and more resources. And in your case, you're going to have a lot of links and resources to take home as takeaways. So, just recapping, it's a digital document having stages of the HyperDocs.co learning cycle. Students work individually, in groups, or in pairs, and they go through and they're actively engaged in their learning. Keep going.